Hello, this is Sam with The Verge, and I am playing Nvidia's big format gaming display. We have Destiny 2 running right here, and it is pretty great. So what is the big format gaming display, or BFGD as Nvidia calls it? Well, it's a new hardware platform and aims to bring the TV-style big screen experience to PC gaming. A few hardware makers are making them. There's going to be one from HP, Acer, Asus, and they're all using the same panel. They're all basically the same thing. They're all 65-inch 4K displays that support HDR, and they all have Android TV built in via Nvidia's Shield platform. But the BFGs are not TVs, they are PC monitors, and that allows you to do some things that you can't really do with a TV, even if you hook up your PC to it today. So the first thing is it runs at 120 Hz, which is a faster frame rate than what you would get out of most TVs or monitors. But more importantly, it works with GSync, which is Nvidia's technology that allows more smooth and natural and lifelike frame rates. It's a little difficult to explain if you haven't seen it in person, but basically what it does is it syncs the frame rate of the display with the output of your GPU. So even in complicated scenes and high-pitched, fast-paced action, you're getting smooth gameplay, no torn frames, no stuttering. It's just a really natural, lifelike experience that you can't get from playing a game on a TV today. So even though the BFGDs are not TVs, they'll still work pretty great for watching Netflix and so on. They have a built-in Nvidia Shield, which is one of the best TV streaming boxes out there. It has Android TV, all the apps that go with that. You can run Nvidia's GeForce Now gaming platform. You can run Android TV games and it'll sync the frame rate in the same way that it does with PC games. And yeah, everything runs in 4K HDR, as you would expect. We saw an episode of the Grand Tour on Amazon's platform, and there are different frame rates in each episode, and it syncs up, plays everything natively. Everything looks great. So although you're not going to be watching, broadcast TV on this thing unless you buy an external aerial, it's still going to be a pretty good option for watching movies and so on if you decide to put it in your living room. So yeah, keep it locked to The Verge this week. We have a big team on the ground here at CES in Las Vegas. We're going to have a bunch more gaming news coming, a bunch more tech news in general. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, check us out on theverge.com and any social media network known to mankind. Yeah, it's going to be fun.